First things first, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once logged in, look for the wallet's icon at the bottom right of your screen and tap on it. This will take you to your wallet's overview to find your receiving address. You'll need to be in the Spot wallet, so make sure that tab is selected at the top. From your Spot wallet, you'll see options for deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Tap on the deposit button. Now, you need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you know the exact coin you're looking for, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After selecting your coin, you'll be prompted to choose a network. This step is crucial. Always ensure the network you choose matches the network of the sender. Otherwise, your funds could be lost. For example, if someone is sending you BTC via the Bitcoin network, select BTC Bitcoin as your network. And there you have it. Your unique Binance wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency and network is displayed along with a QR code. You can copy the address directly or share the QR code with the sender. Remember, always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Knowing how to quickly find your Binance wallet address is essential for seamless crypto transactions. If this tutorial helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips.